In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Soul Reaper sword here in Sailor Piece in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is go to Hugo Mundo, aka Hollow Island. So interact with that just like so, and then go ahead and make your way over there. And once you get to Hollow Island, go ahead and make your way over to this NPC over here, kind of by like where this tilted building is, right to the right of the teleporter. And essentially, this is the NPC you need to talk to. Now, essentially, all these materials you need to farm a specific boss in order to get to, and this is the Soul Reaper boss who is located on Boss Island. So keep a note of what you need. You're going to need obviously 5 million money, 8,500 gems, 2 soul flames, 4 spiritual core, and 8 of the soul fragments, and then make your way over to a teleporter again, interact with that teleporter, and make your way over to Boss Island. Once you get to Boss Island, interact with the Boss Summoner NPC, just like so, and what you need to farm is the Soul Reaper boss right here. It looks like they're farming the King of Heroes boss right now, so I'm not going to worry about summoning anything in, but essentially farm the Soul Reaper boss on here over and over and over again. Now, obviously, the boss does have pretty high health, so the fights might take a little bit of time at first, but the boss is going to drop all the materials that you need. To unlock the sword, though, just go back to that NPC on Hollow Island, and then, of course, you could just collect the 500 boss tickets as well and exchange it right here for the Soul Reaper. If you guys have any questions, once again, ask them down below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you guys do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We do greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.